All right. The Shellacalator, or shellac applicator. All you need for a shellac applicator is some kind of cloth that doesn't shed. Cotton does shed, but it's not the worst. Linen is ideal because it doesn't shed and it has a nice smooth surface. But this is what I have to make it, and I need to do some shellac in the next couple of days, so let's make this. So what you need is a center of absorbent material. Now you can use another cloth and just wad it up in the center, or you can use cotton batting. I like cotton batting, so that's what I use, is cotton batting. You just put it in a little mound in the middle, and then you take your edges and bring them in like so, creating a little knob on top, folding it all in. Okay, and there is your Shellacalator. Now, I like to, because this is a tool that you can use over and over again, after one use you don't have to throw it away, you just have to store it properly. So I like to tie a string around it. I use butcher cord, but you can use whatever you like to use. I like butcher cord because it is easy to work with. So just put a couple wraps on, just enough to hold it together. Tighten it down, throw in a good old square knot. You can use any other kind of knot you like. Square knots are easy when your hands are at -5. There you go. Just like that. And then I just cut off the excess string. I like to leave a little tail on there because once I use it, I am going to store it in a jar. Leave the little string up at the top, and then you seal the jar. Now your Shellacalator will keep for as long as you need it to keep. You can even put alcohol or shellac in there to make sure that it keeps. And that's all there is to the Shellacalator. Thanks.